As members of AHCA NCAL, our mission has always been to improve the quality of care provided in America's skilled nursing centers and assisted living communities. But collectively, how do we measure this commitment and our progress? There lies the challenge. The Quality Initiative was designed to meet that challenge. This ambitious 3-year initiative sets specific goals with targeted deadlines for members in 4 core areas that define our profession. To date, great progress has been made with nearly 6,500 member facilities meeting their goals ahead of schedule. The Quality Initiative Recognition Program was created to honor such efforts. This multi-tiered recognition program encourages participants to achieve multiple goals to receive higher recognition. AHCA members can achieve 4 possible goals across 4 tiers, while NCAL members can achieve 2 goals and join NCAL's Patient Safety Organization, resulting in 3 possible tiers. Member facilities have led the charge, making impressive progress on their quality journey by achieving multiple goals. The initiative's success wouldn't have been possible without the support of our state affiliates. The 2013 State Affiliate Innovation Award honors those affiliates that went above and beyond in their support. The Quality Initiative plays an important role in AHCA NCAL's ongoing commitment to provide person-centered care to those we serve. In just its first year, members demonstrated extraordinary support of this commitment. Their efforts inspire us all toward continuous improvement on our quality journey.